How's it going, guys? This is Forensic Forex with Deontay, and I'm back with another video. This is your daily update on British Pound versus US Dollar, GU. As you said before, more than likely, we were going to tap into that IPDA old high here. So the IPDA look back old high right here, even though this high has already been rated, we know that it could still be a sensitive price point to our current price action. So price taps right up into it and gives a rejection off of it, so it sells off. So there was a selling opportunity here. We are way above May's opening price. Sooner or later, we're going to get the high of the month. Now, I don't know when it's going to come into play, but we're coming to the end of the month. So sooner or later, we should know we more than likely may get a pullback off of the high. And it's going to come after rating old highs, clean highs on old level that we have marked off in our price. So you can see here, this could be the high of the month here. I'm not guaranteeing it, but it could be because we're coming into the last week of the month. If we take a look at DXY turned around. So we said it was going to go lower, but it's trading back up into this inefficiency, so this SIBI. So it looks like there was a change in direction here and change in delivery. I know we have news coming out, FOMC, whether or not central banks are cutting rates or keeping rates the same. There's a lot of speculation in the market still, so be careful. If we take a look at our other currency pairs that are directly correlated with GU, they're selling off. Interesting, right? After taking out this buy side liquidity here, there's been a change in delivery. We had an up close candle instead of price continue trading up after creating this higher swing low here. It continued to sell off and take out the sell side below that swing low. So could this be a new trend that's unfolding, right? Bearish momentum coming into play, potentially. AU, same thing. A swing low has been taken after running out buy side. So instead of creating a higher swing low, it's breaking a swing low. So it's changing its delivery. It's not continuing the higher swing highs, higher swing lows. There's a change in delivery here. NU, we just ran up here, took out these clean highs here, took out this buy side above this swing high here. And now it looks like price is changing its stance. There's a strong pullback here. If we take a look at gold, gold made all-time highs. We were talking about this all throughout Forex Fridays. We said gold is a great investment. It keeps going up. But as you can see, gold shot up, and now it looked to be making a turning point, right? This could be a Larry Williams smash day candle. It got down to this candle's low. After this candle closes, right, it's about to close. The candle closes above all these highs. So it makes retail think, okay, since it's closing so high, it's just going to take off like a rocket. But that's when the market makers come in and they get everybody on the wrong side. They make them chase longs, and then they turn it around on them quickly. Catches a lot of people off guard. So you got to be aware of that. You can also see it fills back in this little inefficiency here, right? This is busy. Buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Let's mark it off so we can all see it. Some people might be confused. There it is. Price trades right back into it. Could we have a change in delivery as well? Yes. I know we didn't break any swing lows, but we did recently break highs, and then we're pulling back down. I do apologize if you hear any noise in the back. One of my neighbors is getting work on their front yard right now. I couldn't get any sleep, man. Back to GU though. Just to resum, bring it back home. So we focus up. So we tap this high here. Do I expect price to continue going higher? Most likely, but be aware that sooner or later the month will cap out. Now, sometimes you get a monthly candle that closes at its high, and sometimes you get a monthly candle that closes below its high. So you'll see it pull back and then close. So for instance, so we're not confused, right? It doesn't make any sense to some people. Let's go on the monthly chart. You can see how these candles are making what? A high up here, and then it's pulling back. So it made the high of the month, then pulled back. Same thing here. It made the high of the month, then pulled back. You'll get months where it closes very close to its high, though, or months where it closes very close to its low. So, for example, here, look at this candle here. Price comes up, makes a high, and then pulls back. It's not a strong pullback, but you can see it almost nearly closed exactly where it made the high of the month. So be aware of how that works and how the market actually forms its highs and lows and when it's going to most likely get ready to do that. So I think we're sooner or later getting ready to gear for the high of the month, and then we're going to see a lower close. Hopefully you find this insightful. I want to see if GU is going to continue trading higher because all its inversely correlated pairs have just changed its stance and changed direction. So let's see if we get a topping. If this candle closes above these highs, do we get a Larry Williams smash candle if it returns back to the previous daily low for it to pull back down? Hopefully you found this insightful. Peace.